Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another important SketchUp class. Today I will show you how to add doors and windows in your 3D models step by step. I have also prepared free notes for this class. Comment below, send me Day-9 notes and I will send it to you. Let's start with a simple method using the rectangle tool. Select the rectangle tool and first draw a wall using the rectangle and push-pull. So we draw it all now. 9-inch wall, 10 feet height, 12 feet. Make a group. Select the rectangle tool and draw the dot shape. Around 8 feet, 8 feet and 3 feet. Use push-pull tool to push the rectangle through the wall. This create opening. Same method works for window, just draw smaller rectangle where needed. Now let's add more realistic door and window using 3D. Use orbit to check placement from all angles. Group the door window to avoid merging with wall geometry. Use tape measure to ensure proper height and width. The width of door is 3 feet and height of door is 8 feet. Now import window, select file, import window, select window, import, place here, then scale. Also use orbit to check placement from all angles. So you learn how to import realistic door windows, how to create opening manually. Now your model has proper entries and ventilation. The notes for this class are ready. Just comment, send me Day-9 notes In the next class, we will add furniture and interior item inside the room. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. See you in the next one, inshallah.